Sports is a movement. It's a lifeline. It's a pathway. It brings us together. It lifts us higher and gives our youth a reason to dream big and shoot even higher.
And you tend to attach yourself to things that do pretty well. This was a bold move for you.
Myself to things I don't know nothing about either.
And that's fine also. But this is something else on your plate, and you have a very big plate.
Yeah.
Clearly, you're going to have to make way and make room for basketball. How important is that for you?
It's important. It's my son's vision. And I'm a mother. So you know how that goes. Your own parents, I would assume. So you know how that goes. When your baby said, Mommy, I want this, I believe in this, then you support it.
To be here. We have over 700 communities in Jamaica. And in those communities, you find persons who love basketball. And I said if we could put a hoop on a post, a hoop on a corner, everybody love them corner, and give them basketball. You'd be surprised how much of a social intervention tool that would be. So I want to leave that idea with you as well. But just to say, good luck in this move. I'm 100% on board. I always have a little much to contribute. So you can depend on my little much.
I just want to give a big shout out to the Marley Foundation for partnering with me and Nike. To just give these young kids a chance. I was giving away shoes, basketballs, t-shirts today. And they obviously look up to me, and they want to be where I'm at someday. I still got a long way to go, but obviously, what I'm doing is big for this country because my mom's from here, and I have, Jamaica in my heart. I'm always going to be half Jamaican. But right now, I actually have a gift for Sadella. If you want to come up here and receive it. So I was selected 2 times to be in the Nike Hoops Team.
Yes.
Now, as a junior, I couldn't play on the USA team since I was too young. So I played for the world, and you know what's on the jersey.
Can I come to the front?